Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm on location today with the Basement Doctor, John Clements.
This is fun.
This is fun.
This is my atmosphere, not yours.
Yes. So, you know how we love the old houses in the Lima area?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little deceiving. You drive by.
Gorgeous outside.
This, what we're seeing here, is what's under most of them.
We're in a 100-year-old home, and this, quite frankly, is real normal for the 100-year-old home. This concrete's been buried in the ground for 100 years, so it's going to have some problems with it.
So there are definitely some issues going on down here. I'm not
Quite
going to lie.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, but the first thing I see when I come down here, safety.
Well, if you think about it, you're down here, you're doing the washer, you're working with the dryer, you're ironing clothes.
Right.
You're standing in water. I mean,
Yes.
the floor is wet right now.
Right.
And yet you're going to reach in, you're going to plug an iron in, you're going to
Right.
be touching electrical appliances, or let's say that you have to go and check a circuit breaker.
Right. And you're standing in
And
water.
I'm standing in water right now.
Right, that's not good.
No, it's not good. So it can be something that accidents happen, but they can be addressed. And when you look at the health concerns or the safety concerns of a house, one of the number one reasons for an elderly person going to a nursing home is a broken hip. And they usually get it slipping on wet concrete.
Right. Right.
Walk down the basement steps, and there's a lot of things that drying up a basement can benefit you health-wise, safety-wise, things like that.
So this situation is pretty common for you.
Yes.
You come into the homes, you give a free consultation.
Yes.
And so we're going to be in this particular home for quite a few weeks.
You're going to get to see the before, the during, and the after of a finished basement.
Fantastic. Looking forward to it.